Hello guys, welcome back to Structures Pro. I want to quickly show you how to create Excel drop-down list with colors. So let me just show you an example of what I mean. If you have some actions or items, activities that you want to track in Excel and you want to indicate which one has completed and which one is overdue. So when you update the status completed, the color of that particular cell changes. When you put it on overdue, the color also changes. So this is done using conditional formatting. So you can make only the cell to be changing colors, or you can make the entire row to change color. So if I select overdue, the whole row will change color. Okay, if I share just like that. So we are going to be creating. The first thing we will do is to create the drop down list so that we'll be able to select the status. So choose either yes or overdue, and then we now do conditional formatting. So we are going to first of all do the one of changing only the cell color. Then we now show you how to do the row, total row. So okay, let's quickly dive into that. So the first thing we'll do is to create the drop down list so that we can be able to select yes or overdue. For us to do that, highlight all the cells, then we go to data tab, and under data tab we locate the data validation button. We click on data validation button. Under allow, we have to allow list. Our source is going to be the two conditions we have there, which is yes, then comma, overdue. Okay, then I'll click OK. So if you look at to see, we already have the drop down there, so we can select either the activity as completed or is overdue. So this is how to create drop down list. So now the next one we need to do is to add colors to it, so we can once you update by looking at each row, you know which one is overdue and which one is completed. So for us to do that, we also select all the cells, sorry. Then we go back to home, come back to home, and we locate conditional formatting. So when we click on conditional formatting, click on highlight cell row and click on equal to. Okay, format cells that are equal to, okay, if the cell is equal to yes, then the color should be let me choose, you can choose any color you want. Green fill with dark green text, so I'll choose this and I'll say okay. That one is for yes. So if I select yes, automatically the color of the cell changes to green. Okay, then let me change this ones to overdue before I go back to do that formatting for overdue. Okay, so then I'll go back to make sure you are on home tab, then you locate conditional formatting, highlight cell rows, and equals to. Then if it is overdue, light red. Okay, so I will use that light red there. Sorry, so the error is I didn't highlight the cells, so you have to highlight the cells for it to be active. So I will go back again, equal to overdue. Okay, so this is light red fill with dark red text, so I can choose okay. So this is when I just want it to be on the cell. So now the next one we will do is for it to be for the row, to cover the row, the whole row. All the item numbers will be covered. This color will be extended to this place. So for us to do that, we're going to deactivate this. Okay, then we just click on clear row, clear rows from selected cell. That's good. So then for us to do the one that will affect the whole row, we select every cell, all the cells. Then we now come to conditional formatting again, and we click on new row. Then we click on new row, select use a formula to determine which cell to format. So select this, then I will now click on this format values where this formula is true. So I'll click, first of all, type equals to, then the cell number is this particular cell, that's the only cell I'm going to use. I'm going to use B2. Okay, B2, okay, equals again. So but for me, for this B2 to be copied all over the whole cells, I will need to put a $sign before the B. Okay, so that's that. Then I will click on quotation mark. Yes, sorry. Okay, then go to formatting. Then I will have my fill color to be green for yes. Okay, then I'll have my font color, I will choose white for font color. Click OK. Okay, you see this is what it is all about. So all the whole cells will pick this color. Okay, so we go back again for the overdue. We click on new row. Okay, then choose this again, the same thing. I will use first of all equals to the same cell reference, then $signs to come before B, so that to be able to, okay, let's just experiment something. Okay, $sign before B. Okay, so now okay, let's experiment something. Let us omit the $sign so that you see the effect. So let's see what it's going to give us. I will put overdue. Okay, then I'll format. Okay, then my fill color will be red. Okay, then the font I will still use white for the font, and I'll say okay. Let me see. This is the difference when you use $sign. $sign covers the whole row. You know, helps you to cover the whole. It copies the command to the whole row. But when you don't use $sign, it only gives you this side. Okay, so I can just undo, then I'll go back again to do the right thing. So equal, no, not equal to, sorry, conditional formatting, new row. Okay, then here I'll use equal sign, $sign, B2 equals to overdue. Okay, then I'll format, and then for my fill is going to be red. Okay, then again for my fill is going to be red. For my font I will choose white, or you can leave it at automatic, depends on what you want. So this is what this class is what I'm all about. This is what I just want to show you in this class. So if you want to just quickly update the status of some items, the activities that you have completed and the one that has been that is overdue, this is the simplest way to do that in Excel. You know, so when you update, even a layman will know that these ones that have red color is that something serious is happening there, and that means it's overdue. So if you have gained something in this class, please just subscribe to my channel. We have more and more lessons to upload in this channel. Thank you very much. Share and like, give me a positive comment as well, and give me thumbs up. Thank you very much.